You have arrived in Mykonos, Greece, a great tropical city with nice culture. Let's reveal the top 10 things to do in Mykonos and go to explore shop on bio. At top 10. Our journey begins in Mykonos Town, also known as Chora, the vibrant heart and soul of the island. This is where the island's unique character truly comes alive, blending centuries of history with a lively modern spirit. Getting lost in its narrow, stone-paved lanes is part of the adventure. Each twist and turn reveals something new. An inviting cafe, a hidden boutique, or a splash of color from a local artist's gallery. The town dazzles with its iconic whitewashed buildings, accented by bright blue shutters and doors, and draped in vibrant bougainvillea. The sunlight bounces off the walls, creating a magical glow that makes every corner feel like a postcard. Every corner reveals a hidden chapel, a cozy square where locals gather, or a friendly cat basking in the sun. Pause for a moment and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. These small details are what make Chora so enchanting. Don't rush. Let your curiosity guide you through this enchanting maze. Take your time to explore and you'll discover charming shops, family-run bakeries, and welcoming locals eager to share their stories. Visit the iconic Kato Mili windmills, perched on a hill overlooking the sparkling Aegean Sea. These historic windmills are more than just a photo opportunity. They're a symbol of Mykonos' rich past and enduring traditions. These Venetian windmills once powered the island's economy, grinding grain for centuries. Today they offer unbeatable sunset views, where the sky turns gold and pink, and the sea glimmers below. As evening falls, Chora transforms. Lanterns glow softly above the streets, restaurants and buzz with laughter and music, and the town's famous nightlife awakens, inviting you to join the celebration. Whether you're here for history, shopping, or the party, exploring Mykonos Town is the essential first step. There's something for everyone. Unique boutiques, cozy cafes, and lively squares where friends gather late into the night. It's the living heart of the island, where tradition and modern life blend seamlessly, and every visitor feels at home. This is just the beginning. Let's see what else Mykonos has in store as we continue our adventure across this unforgettable island. Top 9. Mykonos is truly a beach lover's paradise, where the sun shines bright and the Aegean Sea sparkles in every shade of blue. The island's coastline is dotted with a stunning variety of beaches, each offering its own unique charm and atmosphere. Whether you're seeking lively crowds or peaceful solitude, there's a stretch of sand here for every mood and every traveler. Paradise Beach is the epicenter of the party scene. By day you can relax on the soft sand or swim in crystal clear waters, and as the sun sets, the beach transforms into a vibrant hub of music, dancing, and unforgettable parties that last well into the night. If you crave even more excitement, Super Paradise Beach takes the energy up a notch. It's famous for its inclusive, exuberant vibe where everyone is welcome and the celebrations are as colorful as the sunsets. For those who prefer a more refined experience, Saru Beach is the place to be. Here you'll find luxurious sunbeds, glamorous beach clubs, and a chance to spot celebrities or simply enjoy people watching in a calm, upscale setting. Seeking tranquility and a break from the crowds? Head to Aegean Sea, where untouched sand and peaceful surroundings invite you to unwind and reconnect with nature. Or, if you're traveling with family, Ornos Beach offers a safe, welcoming atmosphere with shallow waters perfect for children and plenty of space for everyone to play and relax. Getting around is a breeze thanks to the island's reliable buses and water taxis, making it easy to hop from one beautiful beach to the next and discover your own favorite spot. Each beach offers a unique window into Mykonos' vibrant personality, from lively parties to serene escapes, and everything in between. You can spend one day dancing in the party crowd, and the next day soaking up the peaceful seclusion of a hidden cove. There's always something new to experience. So grab your towel, sunscreen, and sense of adventure. Your perfect patch of paradise is waiting for you. The beaches of Mykonos are truly unforgettable, each one offering memories that will last a lifetime. Which one will be your favorite? Let's keep exploring and discover the magic of Mykonos together. Top 8. The edge of Mykonos Town lies Little Venice, the island's most romantic spot. Colorful balconies hang over the sea, once home to sea captains and merchants. Today, these buildings house art galleries and cafes. By day, relax with a coffee and watch fishing boats drift by. At sunset, the sky explodes with color. This is the place to be for a front row view. Feel the sea spray and watch the sun dip behind the windmills. The atmosphere is electric, the scenery unforgettable. After dark, Little Venice buzzes with chic nightlife. It's the postcard image of Mykonos. Don't miss it. Top 7. Just a short boat ride from Mykonos lies Delos, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This sacred island is the mythological birthplace of Apollo and Artemis. Walk among ancient temples, markets, and grand houses. History comes alive here. The Terrace of the Lions, with its marble guardians, is a highlight. Explore intricate mosaics in the House of Dionysus and visit the on-site museum. No one stays overnight, preserving Delos's untouched atmosphere. Climb Mount Kinthos for panoramic views of the ruins and surrounding islands. Delos is more than a day trip. It's a journey into the heart of Greek civilization. Don't miss this moving educational experience. Now back to Mykonos for more adventures. Top 6 Mykonos is a feast for the senses, especially your taste buds. Start at a seaside taverna. Grilled octopus, fresh calamari, and sun-ripened vegetables are local staples. Try kopanisti, a spicy cycladic cheese, and louza, Myconian cured pork. Classic Greek dishes like moussaka and souvlaki taste even better here. Pair your meal with local wine or ouzo for the full experience. Mykonos also boasts world-class restaurants, blending tradition with modern flair. From street gyros to fine dining, there's something for every palate and budget. Food is at the heart of Greek culture. Take your time and savor every bite. Let the flavors of Mykonos become one of your best memories. Kali Orexi, enjoy your meal. Top 5 Mykonos is world famous for its nightlife, an island that never sleeps. As the sun sets, the energy on the island transforms, and the anticipation for the night ahead fills the air. The streets begin to glow, and the sound of music drifts from every corner, inviting you to join the celebration. Start your evening with a sunset in Little Venice or Chora, where the views are as unforgettable. Sip your favorite because as the sky turns brilliant shades of orange and pink, and the sea sparkles in the fading light. The relaxed atmosphere is perfect for unwinding and soaking in the beauty of Mykonos before the night truly begins. As night falls, the party moves to the legendary beach clubs at Paradise and Super Paradise. Here the music gets louder, the lights get brighter, and the excitement is palpable. People from all over the world gather to dance, mingle, and celebrate life by the sea. Dance under the stars to world-class DJs at iconic venues like Cavo Paradiso, where the open-air dance floor overlooks the Aegean. The energy is electric, with laser lights cutting through the night and the crowd moving in perfect rhythm. It's a truly unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Mykonos nightlife. In town, explore a maze from cozy lounges to energetic dance spots. Wander through the winding, whitewashed streets, discovering hidden gems and meeting new friends along the way. Each club has its own unique vibe, ensuring there's something for everyone, whether you're looking for a laid-back evening or a wild night out. The gay quarter near the Old Port is home to shows. Here the atmosphere is inclusive and vibrant, with performers dazzling the crowds and everyone coming together to celebrate love and freedom. It's a place where diversity is embraced and every night feels like a festival. Whether you want an all-night rave or a relaxed bar crawl, Mykonos delivers. You can dance until sunrise at a massive beach party, or enjoy intimate conversations with friends at a tucked-away-in town. The options are endless, and the choice is yours. The island's spirit of freedom and celebration is contagious. Laughter, music, and joy fill the air, and it's impossible not to get swept up in the excitement. Every night feels like a special occasion, and every moment is a memory in the making. Nightlife here is more than entertainment, it's a way of life. Locals and visitors come together, sharing stories, dancing, and creating connections that last long after the night is over. The sense of community and celebration is what makes Mykonos truly unique. Get ready for a night you'll never forget, because in Mykonos the party doesn't end until the sun comes up, and every sunrise brings new adventures. Top 4. Amidst the buzz of Mykonos, discover the serene beauty of Panagia Paraportiani. This iconic whitewashed church is actually 5 chapels built together over centuries. Its flowing asymmetrical form is a masterpiece of Cycladic architecture. Walk around the exterior and admire how it blends with the sky and sea. It's a peaceful spot for reflection, just steps from the lively streets of Chora. Panagia Paraportiani is a symbol of the island's spiritual heritage. Don't miss this architectural gem. Top 3. Head to Matogianni Street, Mykonos' shopping hotspot. This bustling lane is lined with whitewashed buildings and vibrant bougainvillea. Browse high-fashion boutiques, local jewelry stores and artisan shops. Find handmade sandals, unique ceramics, and stylish summer wear. The street comes alive in the evening, buzzing with energy and late-night shoppers. Even if you're not buying, it's perfect for people watching and soaking up the island's chic vibe. Shopping here is a blend of culture and style. Take home a piece of Mykonos. Top 2. See Mykonos from a new angle, take a boat tour. Sail along the south coast, hopping between famous beaches and hidden coves, swim in turquoise bays, snorkel in crystal clear waters, and discover secluded spots. Visit the uninhabited island of Rhenia for untouched beaches. Many tours include a delicious Greek meal on board. Choose a sunset cruise, a beach-hopping adventure, or a historical trip to Delos and Rhenia. The sea is central to Greek island life. Feel the wind, the sun, and the freedom. A boat tour is a Mykonos highlight you'll never forget. Top 1. Head to Armenistis Lighthouse on Mykonos' northwestern tip. This historic lighthouse stands on a rugged cliff, offering panoramic views of the Aegean. The journey there is an adventure, with winding roads and breathtaking scenery. At sunset, the sky and sea ignite with color. Far from the crowds, it's pure tranquility. Find a spot on the rocks, open a bottle of local wine, and watch the sun dip below the horizon. The lighthouse's beam sweeps across the sea as dusk falls. It's a soul-stirring experience, connecting you to the timeless spirit of the island. The perfect way to end your Mykonos adventure. Recap 10 must-do activities in Mykonos. From ancient ruins to vibrant nightlife, this island has it all. Mykonos invites you to create your own adventure. Dance, dine, explore, or simply relax. Subscribe to discover the world.